Hey folks, good afternoon. This is Alex with MarineMax here on Lake Lanier. And today I have a special boat for you. This is the Crest Caribbean 230. Special features on this boat, of course, are going to be, we have actually in-floor built-in coolers. They're all made in isolated fiberglass, so all your drinks are going to stay cold for a long time. There's actually 4 of those, 1 on each side here, and 2 more here on the aft part of the boat. We also have a built-in center storage, so if you basically have large skis, wakeboards, everything can actually go in there and disappear here from your floor. As we make our way back here, this has actually the large captain's chair, so you have more comfort. It's wider, more cushion. It's going to give you more comfort here on the long days on the lake. We have a built-in GPS as well as your analog gauges. And for entertainment, of course, this boat comes with a subwoofer amplifier, a fusion stereo, and also has LED lights on the speakers that can change color. And to top it all off, we have a power top. This is a beautiful power activated top. Push of a button, this whole top can go down and can go up just as well. Come and see us here at MarineMax Lake Lanier. Love to help you out. I'm Alex. Looking forward to seeing you.